Welcome back to school, everyone. Hope you have settled in nicely. Please close your eyes and bow your heads for the school karakia. E te ariki, manake te o mātou, me o mātou whānau, mō tēnei rā. I promise that today I'll do my best, encourage others, and never give up. I promise that I'll never give up on myself, my learning, and my life. I promise this with all my heart. Amen.
Voices we entreat, God defend our free land. God Pacific's triple star, from the sharps of strife and war, make her praises heard afar. God defend New Zealand.
Hi, my name is Crystal, and being a Kakalan is important to me because it is part of me, and because it is my culture. It is also important because I am the next generation of the Pongi family to carry my ancestors' teachings. Lastly, it's a great opportunity to have another culture.
Marianne, being a Kukalanda is important to me because I can dance, sing, and spend good quality time with my family. It is an honor to be a Kukalanda because I can carry my next generation of my mum's last name. Have a good day. Bye.
Kia ora. Kukalanda means representing where I come from, dancing, singing, and making food. Setting examples for the next generation and my ancestors.
Being a Kukalanda is a big opportunity to stand proud being a Kukalanda.
Hey guys, good to see you. Do you know why I called you here today?
No.
I have a challenge for you today.
I need you to do me a favour.
We want to find out where our lunches come from.
And I want to know what happens to the rubbish and what happens afterwards.
So do you think you can
Sort that for me?
Yeah. Yes.
Cool.
Hey guys! Hi! Welcome to Eat My Lunch. Want to go have a look?
Yes.
Let's go. Welcome to the kitchen.
What's all this stuff?
All this stuff's really important. Make sure that we keep the food safe. So we're going to get the hair nets on. We're going to wash your hands for 20 seconds, and then we're going to head into the kitchen. Today we're making lunches for 35 schools across Auckland, and it's our Matariki Day.
Do you make them all?
I don't make them all myself. That'd be a lot of lunches to make. We've got lots of people from the local community. Lots of mums, lots of aunties, lots of dads and lots of grandparents. Let's go meet them.
What's on the menu today?
Well, today we're making matariki lunch. Lamb and spinach with kumara chips on a bun.
Where's the chips and the biscuit?
Today we actually have a star-shaped biscuit. It's really yummy. We're using it for matariki for our lunches today. We try and make our lunches healthy and delicious.
Do you like making this much lunches?
Yes, very passionate about our work, knowing that it goes to a child that usually goes without. It's very rewarding. I had 2 children at Chapel Downs School, so they're enjoying the nutrition as well as the deliciousness.
Guys, this is where we make all the special lunches.
My friend can't eat meat. Is this where all the lunches are made at?
It certainly is, darlings. These no pork stickers are for kids that can't eat pork. We make our halal lunches in this room as well. So for kids that have got allergies or they've got really special needs, we make them all in this really special kitchen.
Whoa, there's a lot of food in here.
There is so much food on here. Do you know that when we do a sandwich day, the loaves of bread stack taller than the Sky Tower?
Whoa, that's awesome. What happens in here?
This is where we pack all the lunches to make sure every kid gets the right lunch. They're all compostable, so everything in here, after you've eaten your lunch, can get composted.
Thank you guys for coming in today. You guys wanna go and deliver the lunch? Yeah! See you at the school. I'll see you there, eh?
Hi, Robbie.
I got the lunches you made. Enjoy.
Thank you. Hi, George.
Are you guys ready to leave the lunches?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have a special matariki lunch today, and there is a biscuit inside, a star biscuit, burger with lamb, spinach and kumara chips in it, and also kiwi fruit.
Tell me, what did you find out?
All their packaging is compostable. They use a lot of local supplies for their food ingredients.
So tell me what you found out today.
So Eat My Lunch makes 18,000 lunches every day.
When Eat My Lunch makes sandwiches, when they stack it up together, it's even taller than the Sky Tower. Rubbish guys pick up the food scraps and commercially compost them. People who make our lunches are parents, whānau, friends in our school local community.
Wow, that is so interesting.
At Eat My Lunch, you have to put on hairnets and gloves before you enter the kitchen, otherwise your hair and germs could spread.
So they make special lunches for special diets.
That's awesome, guys. I think we better give a big thank you to Eat My Lunch.
Have a great week of learning. Aenela.